this video we are going to check out the ClickUp application, that how it is installed and how it is configured. So first of all, click on the level up marketplace, then here ClickUp, then install it. If you want to install it on all the location, then install on the agency level. Otherwise you can also install on a particular location as well. So in our case we are going to install on all the locations. So I click here, I proceed. So our app is installed. So go there to the location level, and here on this page search out ClickUp application. In my case it is already configured because I already put the credentials. So here you can also update them, like to find the API key you should have an account of ClickUp, and then click on your profile and then click on setting and then go to apps, and here is your API key. So you can configure here, like, and then submit. So your credential will be saved and you can use this application now.